Daniel, you interpret dreams.
The Lord interprets dreams.
Our great King Nebuchadnezzar is King of Babylon!
Find someone who can tell me what this means!
If my God is the one that is speaking to him, there's a chance that I could help save us. I saw an enormous statue. The head was pure gold.
You are now the highest wise man of all of Babylon!
Careful. The lions of Babylon are not only in the den.
We will keep our eyes open for an opportunity to rise.
The furnace is almost ready. Bow to me!
God help us! Didn't we only throw 3 men into the furnace?
You were there in the fire. You were there all around me.
The more that the Lord shows me, the harder it is to live in the here and now.
God wants you representing him to the kings of this world.
Anyone who prays to a god other than the king will be thrown into the lion's den! Yeah!
Put the lawbreaker in chains.
I am loyal to my God and his kingdom before anyone else.
I hope your God will deliver you.
He brings darkness into light.
There is a God!
Who reveals mysteries.